that's where I really started writing, was Rock Candy. Many ciphers, many battles, many side blocks, held underground parties in Langston Hughes. Township.
Now when I say 2-0, you say, nah, you know the rest. This is our scene, our music, our movement, the history lives through us. I write to the beat and let light play the guitar strings. Despite the drama, there's respect, camaraderie. Every time one of my friends is mentioned in my philosophy, it's a rite of passage. I'm not trying to be corny. I got love for sport and life, Alpha P, Maslana, Henri. Every time somebody steps out on the road, they bring a little Northwest soul with them, amen. Alright then, just so you know, I try to carry that every time that I rock a show. So, turn my sound up, ricochet off our mountain. It's good medicine that she Celtic would have been proud of. This is our city, town, pride, heart, blood, sweat, tears, I-5, north, south side, vibe, live, ride down these city blocks, and never will we stop. They're trying to shut down the clubs that my city rocks. Now Mr. Mayor, why would you enforce an ordinance? Music, it saves lives, these kids out here are supporting it. And through the art form, we've learned the importance of community, truth to the youth so they know what's up. Yeah. And as a public school student, I learned from my teachers but became through my music. Take that away, that's vital. 14 fathoms deep, do the math. Tribal, my greatest teachers, be self and Vida. Words there was my mayor, and things have changed, but I carry the torch, and what I do with that flame is lit every time that I step on the stage. The skyline is etched in my veins. You can never put that out, no matter how hard it rains in my city.
Making you feel the vibe. Check how Seattle do. Come to my side. I mean, I like how y'all do. Thank you.